In this video, I will teach you how to add a payment method in WordPress WooCommerce so that your customers can easily pay when shopping in your online store. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website wordpress.com or your very own WordPress installation or WordPress site that you have created. But if you don't have an account yet on WordPress or don't have or created site using WordPress, all you have to do is to sign up and create one. But if you already do have an account like this one, all you have to do is to log in using your WordPress credentials. And once you're logged in like this, all you have to do is to look at the left hand menu right here and scroll down until you see WooCommerce. And in here, all you have to do is to go to settings. And you will be able to see multiple tabs on the upper part. It could be general, product, shipping, payments, and so on and so forth. All you have to do in order to add a payment method is to go to payments right here. And this is where all your payments option will appear. Inside payment tab, you'll see a list of different methods like cash on delivery, like this, take offline payments, PayPal payments, or Stripe payments, or they accept payment with Who as well. It could be direct bank transfer as well. And to enable one or to add a payment method, all you have to do is to click on install right here, like this one. And then all you need to do is to set up the installation. So all you have to do is to click on complete setup right here and click on Activate PayPal Payments. Each payment gateway has its own setup process. Like for Stripe, you'll need API keys. For bank transfer, you'll add your bank details. And once you've filled in the required information, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And after saving, all you have to do is to go back to your store and try a test checkout to confirm the payment method is working properly. This ensures your customers won't face any problems or troubles when paying you for your product. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.